Let me start with a question. When you hear the phrase high-paid skills, what comes to your mind? It's coding, it's engineering, it's data science, or artificial intelligence, or AI. All these skills are very good skills and all these are very important for us. But today I'm going to talk about such a skill which is quietly earning more money than all of these other skills. That is communication. Yes, communication is the highest paid skill, and sometimes many people misunderstand this. When I say communication skill, I don't mean communication skill means speaking fancy English. I don't mean using big words. I don't also mean that you have to speak fast. Communication simply means, can you make others understand you? That's it. That means if other people understand you, that is communication. Let me explain it in very simple terms. So communication is the ability to explain your ideas clearly. Communication is the ability to explain your ideas clearly, to help others understand your thinking. You will help others to understand your thinking. That is communication. Communication helps to influence decision making. That you have the contribution to the decision making process through your communication. Communication helps to build trust by using your words. You will build trust and authority by your words, by your sentences, by your utterances, by your writing, by your speech. That is communication. If you can explain a complex idea in simple language, simple words, simple sentences, with a simple structure, then you have a very good communication skill. If other people say that, oh yes, I got it, then you are clearly ahead of the other professionals. You have a very good communication skills. You are strong in communication. Now let's talk about money. Why the communication skills get paid more than the technical skills? Technical skills are very, very important, highly significant. But technical skills usually work behind the scenes and communication skills work at the front. Let me give you a simple example. One person writes great code. That means he is expert in coding. He is a programmer. Another person who explains clearly this product to the audience. That means it might be to the clients, it might be to the managers, it might be to the investors, it might be to the users of that product. Who creates more visible value? Definitely the second person, because communication multiplies the value. One good idea, if communicated well, effectively, then it creates value. It can change a company. If the same idea is poorly communicated, then the idea gradually dies. It doesn't have any value anymore. That's why communication gets paid more than other skills. Let me tell you a very common workplace story. You will see this everywhere. This is very common to all the organizations. Suppose two people join a company with similar kind of skills, with same degree, same background, same kind of experience. After 2 or 3 years, one gets promoted, the other person remains in the same position. Why? Not because that one is smarter than the other one, but because of one person or the second person can explain ideas properly, effectively, he can speak clearly, he can write clearly, he can present confidently. Remember this, that people don't promote those skills that they don't understand. Okay, let us go through a business angle. Many businesses don't fail because their products are bad. Sometimes they fail because their products are not well explained. People don't buy what they don't understand. Investors don't invest what they don't understand. And teams don't support where they are not very clear about the things they are going to do. And communication turns ideas into income. Now let's bring technology into this communication scenario. We live in the world of AI, automation, tools and machines. So some people think that communication will become less important, but the opposite is true. Communication is becoming more important nowadays. Technology needs more explanation, not less. Someone has to explain the tech to the non-tech people, They have to design the human-friendly systems. They have to write clear prompts for the artificial intelligence tools. They have to present ideas clearly to the decision makers. That's why communication is becoming more and more important nowadays, not less because of artificial intelligence or AI. AI can generate texts or voices, but humans still decide. Human decision is a must. Humans still buy, humans still trust, and humans respond to the clear communications. So, the high-paid communicators, the people who are very good or strong in communications, what do they do actually? Let us find it out. First of all, they don't try to impress other people. They try to clarify the things they want to say. They usually speak simply. They use sort of simple structures. They pause before they are speaking. They listen carefully and they adapt language to the audience. They speak as per the need of the audience. They don't sound clever. They sound clear, and this clarity builds confidence. So, can we improve our communication skills? Definitely, yes, we can improve our communication skills. And this is the most important part. Most people think that I'm not a good communicator, this is not my talent. But communication skills is not like that. It's trainable, it's learnable. We can improve it day by day by practicing. Communication is not a talent, it's a trainable skill. We can improve it by trying the following steps. Step number 1, thinking before speaking. Step number 2, using short sentences. Step number 3, avoiding unnecessary jargons or technical words. Using simple words is better than the technical words or jargons. 4, practicing how to explain ideas simply. So we need to practice how we can simply explain anything, any complex ideas in a simple way. And finally, focusing on clarity, not fluency. Sometimes we run after fluency and we don't take care of the clarity. So clarity first, then you can improve your fluency gradually as per your need, or as per the audience's need, or as per the subject matter's need. So you don't need the perfect English to be clear. Just you need to have proper thinking and clear thinking to be clear to the audience. So finally we can say the degrees or other skills can get you hired, but communication skills will give you the edge to be noticed. Communication skills will give you the trust. Communication skills will give you the confidence. Communication skills will create leadership in you. Communication skills will bring out all the other talents that would be expressed through communications. And yes, definitely communication gets you paid. So if you want to improve and grow in your career, don't just improve what you know. Try to improve explaining well what you know. How you can explain what you know. Because in the real world, the person who communicates well, who expresses well, go further than the person who actually knows well. Thank you so much.